Dear student, today in this video we are going to learn about the limitation of VBT and application of a coordination compounds. So first we shall see about the limitation of a VBT. The first limitation is it does not explain the high spin and low spin nature of the complex. It does not explain low spin and high spin nature of complex. Means, in other words, you can say a strong and weak field nature of the ligand cannot be distinguished. Second limitation, that is, it does not provide any explanation for the color of the coordination compounds. Means, it does not provide any explanation about the color of complex compound. The third limitation is the structure of complex predicted from the VBT would not always match necessarily with those determined from the experiment. Third one is the structure of complex compound predicted by VBT not match when observed experimentally. So these are the limitation of the valence bond theory. Due to this limitation, to overcome such a difficulties in VBT, a new theory named as CFT or a crystal field theory has been proposed, which has been widely accepted. Since this theory is not included in your syllabus due to COVID-19, all the school and colleges are closed. That's why State Board have reduced this topic from the session 2020 and 21. So we shall directly discuss the application of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds are widely used in various fields. The first application is in biology. Some biological process are naturally occurs. They are made up of from the complex compound or metal complexes. They play important role in a number of processes occurring in plants and animals. For example, chlorophyll. You know chlorophyll. What is the role of chlorophyll? The color of the green color of leaves is due to the presence of a chlorophyll. And what is the role? It provide or form the food in presence of sunlight for the plants. So this chlorophyll is a complex of a magnesium. Means in this chlorophyll, magnesium is a central metal ion. Another example you can say hemoglobin, which is present in the human blood. This hemoglobin is the complex of a Ferrous means ferrous is present as a central metal ion in hemoglobin. Another use we can take, that is in medicine. Since complex compounds are widely used in various medicine, for example, platinum complex, which is known as cisplatin. In the last video, I have told you the structure of a cisplatin, in which around the platinum, two ammonia or amine group are present at the left hand side and two chloro group are present at the right hand side. That gives the formation of a cisplatin. This cisplatin is used in the treatment of cancer. Another use we can take it, EDTA is used for the treatment of a lead poisoning. EDTA, what is the full form? If you know the full form of EDA, then write me in comment box. I have told you about that in the last video in IUPAC nomenclature. So EDTA is used for the treatment of a lead poisoning. So this one is the use for in the medicine. Now another use we can take, that is third one, that is to estimate the hardness of water. Hardness of water is due to the presence of a Ca di-positive ions and Mg di-positive ion. The ligand EDTA forms stable complex with Ca di-positive and Mg di-positive. It can be therefore used to estimate the hardness of the water. So EDTA is used for the determination of a hardness of water. EDTA, as you know, it is the hexadentate ligand which is used for the estimation of a hardness of water. And the last use is in electroplating. When in electroplating, the coordination compound are used. The ligand in the complex keep the metal atom well separated from each other. These metal atoms tends to form a protective layer on the surface of certain cyanide complexes. For example, in electroplating, a complex named as potassium dicyanoargentate first is used. That is the formula for silver electroplating. It is used as a, and for gold plating, potassium dicyanoaurate first ion are used. The formula, that is KAuCN/2. So these are the various complexes which are used for the electroplating process. If you want to electroplate or mount the cover of a silver, then this complex is used. If you want to mount the cover at the surface of any metal for gold, then this complex, that is KAuCN/2, is used. So these are the noble metals which are being used for the electroplating purposes. So these are the various uses of a complex compound. So in this way we have completed the chapter, our chapter, that is coordination compounds. Thank you.